Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that could be a game changer for those of us battling dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. We all know the struggle. How do you keep your locks looking vibrant and healthy without stripping away that precious color? Well, today, we're checking out the Awapuhi Wild Ginger Nourishing Shampoo by Paul Mitchell, a formula that promises to bring hydration and care to those thirsty strands. This is one of those products that caught my eye, and I've been testing it out to see if it really lives up to the hype. First off, let's dive into what this shampoo is about. This product is designed for dry, damaged, and color-treated hair, which already hits home for many of us who've gone through the color chemical routine. It comes in liquid form and has a really refreshing ginger tea scent that instantly adds a bit of luxury to your shower routine. The scent isn't overwhelming, but it's there, creating a nice, calming experience as you work it through your hair. Now let's talk ingredients and what this shampoo is really doing for your hair. The key here is the Awapuhi extract, which is known for its natural moisturizing properties. This formula is meant to nourish, hydrate, and add softness without weighing down your hair. So whether you've got thick, coarse strands, or fine hair that's in need of some TLC, this shampoo should work well for a variety of hair types. The color-safe formula is a big win for anyone with color-treated hair, as it helps to preserve that freshly dyed shade while giving your hair a deep clean. So how does it actually feel to use? Well, I started with a little amount and worked it into my damp hair. The shampoo lathers beautifully, creating a rich foam that feels indulgent but not too heavy. It doesn't strip your hair like some other shampoos for damaged hair, which can leave your strands feeling parched and brittle. Instead, you get that clean feeling without losing the moisture or softness that color-treated hair needs. The real test came after I rinsed it out. My hair felt incredibly soft, almost silky, with no residue left behind. As someone with color-treated hair, I was especially careful to note whether the shampoo would leave my hair dry or tangled. Luckily, it didn't. Instead, my hair felt refreshed and it was easy to detangle. I didn't feel the need to reach for a heavy conditioner right away, which says a lot about how nourishing the shampoo is on its own. Now, no product is without its flaws, right? The biggest drawback for me is that while the formula is great for hydrating dry hair, if your hair is on the fine side, it could feel a bit weighed down after a few days of use. For those with finer hair, a lighter conditioner or shampoo might be more appropriate. Another point to consider is the price. While it's definitely a premium product, it's not the most affordable option on the market. But if you're willing to splurge a little for a formula that really works for dry and color-treated hair, I think it's worth it. When it comes to value for money, it's important to weigh the quality of the ingredients and the results against the price. If you're someone who deals with dry, color-treated hair regularly, this shampoo could be worth the investment. The Awapuhi extract is a solid ingredient for moisturizing, and the color-safe formula adds an extra layer of protection, which justifies the price if you're looking for something that truly delivers. As for build quality, the packaging is solid. The bottle feels sturdy and doesn't feel like it'll break or leak easily, which is important when you're dealing with liquid products. The sleek design of the bottle also makes it a little more upscale looking in your shower. If you're looking for alternatives in the same price range, products like Redken's All Soft Shampoo or Moroccanoil Hydrating Shampoo might be worth considering. Both have similar hydrating and nourishing benefits, but might offer different results depending on your specific hair type and concerns. If you're willing to spend a bit more, Pureology Hydrate Shampoo is another fantastic option for color-treated hair. So what's the final verdict? The Awapuhi Wild Ginger Nourishing Shampoo by Paul Mitchell definitely delivers on its promises. It's a solid option for anyone dealing with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. The nourishing formula leaves hair feeling soft and hydrated, and the color-safe properties make it a great pick for anyone who has invested in hair color. If you have fine hair though, I'd say use it sparingly or opt for a lighter formula for everyday use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.